As you guys can see, we got another e-bike to unbox. This one's by a brand called Hitway. I'm hoping it's a folding fat tire bike, but check it out. On this side, this is the picture of the bike. If that's the case, we're working with a mountain bike, and I don't know how they fit it in this small box. I know a lot of you guys are in the market for e-bikes. I got a lot of them right now. This one is a folding bike, yes. Got a seat on the rear, external battery. Here's the charger, got a seat, and we have the bike, guys. So this is by Hitway. This is gonna be the EBIKE. I'm sure we have a long giraffe neck stem. You know I hate those. Hold on, let me get these pieces off real quick and then I'll give my comments on the components, but I'm already seeing some stuff. This joint weak, I'm not gonna lie, I can already tell. But we'll see, we'll give it a chance. I've seen this before with the seat on the back. This is actually cool because I got kids and sometimes I take my kids to school. This is like super convenient. Check out the bike. This is how it looks fully folded. It's pretty small and compact. That's the reason why I love folding e-bikes. You can practically fit this bike in the back of this Corvette. Wait, where's the engine, front or back? Also, Hitway threw in some accessories like this bike pump, this bike lock, but don't be fooled. These are just because this bike is so cheap, they wanted to distract you from that. So, I mean, if you wanted some accessories like a bike lock, that's cool, but you can always just go to Walmart and pick that up. I'd rather get a quality bike with no accessories, but that's just me. And this is how the bike looks unfolded. Ooh, what are we saying, guys? All right, let's get this bike into the light. The more and more I look at this bike, I'm not gonna lie, it's growing on me. It's not like horrible, but we'll see how it performs, and that'll be the judge. 750 watt, okay, it might be decent. It's just old looking. This bike is rocking some ergonomic grips. These are the same grips that Electric has been using since 2020. Like, come on now. We have a half twist throttle on the right side. We also have a Shimano 7-speed. These handlebars are pretty cheap. They're narrow. They don't have any rise to them, so you're not gonna feel like you have a ton of handling. This bike doesn't even have like a traditional stem. It has like this quick release. I really don't like this. I prefer like a traditional bike stem so you can really lock it down. So here's our LCD. Now it does tell you everything you need to know. It shows you your miles per hour. It shows you how many miles are on the bike, what pedal assist level you're in. And then also right here, this is like an old version of the giraffe neck stem. This is like when they first came out. It has like a little quick release right here. If you do plan on switching to BMX, this bike is gonna require a quill stem adapter. This bike has a cheap suspension fork. One way to know if it's cheap, check this out on the top. If it doesn't have any adjustment knobs, cheap, okay? But what's not cheap are these metal fenders, all right? That is a plus, I'm not gonna lie. But I have a feeling they threw that in there just to take away from all the cheap components. Like, this is the one quality thing on the bike. And then right here is the externally mounted battery. This is gonna be a 48 volt, 15 amp hour battery. A plus with these style batteries is that you can always upgrade it to a bigger size and it still keeps that same shape. So you can get like a 48 volt, 20 amp hour battery, get more range. This bike has a suspension seat post, so you're gonna have rear suspension. Unfortunately, the kids in the back are not gonna feel that. Right here in the rear, we have a 750 watt motor. Over here, we have a Shimano tourney derailleur. So it also has a brake light. Speaking of brakes, we have mechanical disc brakes. These are gonna be 160 millimeters. Another overall shot of the bike. What are we saying, man? I do like the black paint job, you know me. I'm always wearing black, so this matches me perfectly. But other than that, I don't know. I think we're just gonna have to hop on it and give it a test ride. Already noticing that this bike has a decent amount of acceleration. It's not even at a full charge. We're working with 3 bars, and it actually shows you your voltage too. We're working with 47.8 volts. It is working with the 750 watt motor, so I mean, I'm not surprised, but man, just can't get over the fact that these components are like 3 years old at this point. Suspension wise, yep, I knew it. It's pretty cheap, but you know, it's not that bad. Let's see, let's go off a curve real quick. It's actually decent. It's decent. I thought it was gonna bottom out, but must got some strong coils in there. Look at my dad trying to keep up. Yeah, no, this bike is dope.
Right, a lot better than it looks.
Yeah, it always changes when you hop on it. Man, this bike is actually riding decently, guys. I can't even complain. Pedaling wise, let's see. We're in gear 5. Let's bump it up to 7. Bump the pedal assist up to, oh, the max is 3. Now we're picking up speed. Oh yeah, this bike is pretty fast. We're gonna go this way, switch it up. What's up, man?
Who's that?
It's Somebody said David brand new. I don't know. Somebody recognized me. For some reason, the pedal assist takes a while to kick in. Takes about like 5 seconds to kick in, but throttle is instant. Woo! And then if you have a rear passenger, this is how they can sit on the back of the bike. Or if you just want to like look different, I don't know. Oh, this is sick, dude. Like remove the, oh shit. Dude, hey, this is low-key sick though, I'm not gonna lie. Like imagine removing this seat. You could ride this joint like a chopper with like some BMX handlebars. Check out this perfect leg extension, guys. This is what Shaq looks like on a bike. We're clearly having way too much fun, guys. I think it's time to take the bikes back home. But that's gonna be it for the video today, but stay tuned. We're gonna test this bike out more. We have a whole bunch of unboxings to do. So yeah, just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, deuces like that. Yay! Testing, 1, 2, 3. You got to make sure the sunglasses are on though. This is almost like a face reveal. Like if I do this, this has never been done in like a couple of years, dude. Like